comes CSX westbound, Fostoria, Ohio. First train. Here, move over. It's coming. Gate's gonna go down in a minute. Got yellow with blinking green. We made it. Hi. Cool. 2 engines. Yes, a grain train. Yes, CSX grain train going west. It's cold out here. Yes, it's a slow train, buddy. Very snowing. Oh, I hear another one. Where's that mountain? Bye, dude. Cold, guys, cold. Cold, very cold. Sorry guys, it's a little cold out here. That was a lot echoey too. No, there's a track here. Let's see. I might stop this way, it's cold. It's always hard to see the signal, you know, during the day, yeah. Snowing a little bit. Now I think I see the end, maybe. I'll put our gloves on in a minute, I'm cold. Four minutes so far, huh? Windy. Yeah, it's cold and windy. Sorry, the phone's shaking a little bit, it's just cold. I'm gonna warm my hands up after this train. I wish I brought gloves. I did. Yeah. Rockabilly. Now I see the end. Oh, yep. Thank God. Catch more. Oh, there'll be more. The end of this train. Yep. We'll go over there and look and see if we see a westbound coming. This is a westbound still. Oh, might be loud. I don't think so. Here comes the end. Trying to speak up too. Fostoria, Ohio. There it goes. Alright, let's get the gates real quick. Then I'm gonna put my gloves on. I'm freezing. There goes Fostoria, Ohio. Yeah, it is.